this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you which phone can load faster application. We have iPhone 14 Plus here, and we have iPhone 11, the base version. So if you want to buy iPhone 11, still the phone is relevant or not, you can see here, guys. So in this case, we're gonna open first is Facebook, very popular app. 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 loads faster Facebook, but iPhone 11 is no less, is very close to iPhone 14. You can see that here. Let's see is lagging or not. You can see the speed. It's quite good in iPhone 11 as well. So what you're gonna do, we close this. Everything is closed. One more time with Facebook to confirm a real winner. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. This time iPhone 11 boots faster. I don't know which one you can decide a clear winner. Okay, so I think as a draw. What a surprise. Now we'll go to another popular app, that is YouTube. Both of them YouTube. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 boots faster YouTube in this case. Let's see which can open video faster. Opening video is almost the similar, you can see, guys, but iPhone 14 boots faster. And one more time to confirm a real winner. Here we go. YouTube in this case. Now it's quite similar, quite close. iPhone 11. This phone was closed for a long time, for months, and this I use every day. For maybe that's why iPhone 11 was slow at the first time, but the second time they're quite identical. I don't know why. Our old phone of Apple working the same with the last generation. I'll go for another application, YouTube Music. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 is the champ in this case, boots really faster. Let me hit a song. In iPhone 14 loads the song faster. You can see close and last try. YouTube Music, last try. 1, 2, and 3. iPhone 14 is the clear winner in this case, but although iPhone 11 challenges very good to iPhone 14 Plus, so still if you want to buy iPhone 11 is a good choice. You can buy it by closing your eyes. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.